Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, where I help cleaning business owners master bidding so they win profitable contracts and stop leaving money on the table. Now, today we're talking about one of the most dangerous mistakes in this industry underbidding a cleaning contract. Now, underbidding a cleaning contract might help you win the job, but it could destroy your profits, drain your energy, and hurt your business in the long run. Now, in this video, I break down the hidden dangers of underbidding and what you can do instead to win contracts that actually pay you what you're worth. Now, the temptation to underbid. Now, sometimes when you really want a contract, it's tempting to come in with a low price just to beat the competition, at least so you think. And then once you get your foot in the door, oh, I can make it work. But here's the reality. Underbidding is a trap. It creates real consequences. You work harder for less. You'll end up doing more work than you're being paid for. It leads to burnout for you and your team. The quality suffers when you can't afford enough labor hours or supplies. Quality drops, and that hurts your reputation. You have cash flow problems. A contract that doesn't cover your costs drains your bank account every month. And then your team morale tanks. Employees notice when they're overworked and undersupported. It leads to high turnover. So it's hard to raise prices later once you accepted that you submitted that low bid. Because once a client is used to paying the low rate, getting them to agree to a fair price is an uphill battle, especially if you're trying to do it right away when you notice. It just doesn't happen. Now, here's a smarter alternative. Instead of chasing the lowest price, focus on bidding accurately. Calculate your labor, supplies, overhead, and profit margin. A fair, realistic bid attracts the right client. Now, the ones who value quality and are willing to pay for it. So if you've been underbidding, you're not alone, but you don't have to keep making that same mistake. I teach cleaning business owners exactly how to price for profit so that they can grow without burning out. Now click the link in my bio to join my next bidding masterclass and start winning contracts right away. There's a link in the bio. I can't wait to see you there.